This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Joachim. Gorgeous 4.17 acre lot positioned at one of the highest points in Grande Vista Bay. Enjoy the peace and privacy of this magnificent lot. Gated community offers clubhouse, pool, docks/slips, multiple boat ramps, barbecue/picnic areas, community events, central mail, underground utilities at the road, common sense restrictions with no timeline to build. Shopping, grocery, and highway access close by. Ideal location for your dream home with a dream view. Price to sell. Bring your offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Joachim at 865-966-1111.